Hi there, thank you for your interest in this Leblond engine lathe. It swings 19 inches, 80 inches between centers. It's a model Regal. It is a Servo-Shift, and it has inch metric threading and a 3-inch spindle hole. It was manufactured in 1977, and it's in excellent condition, both the way it looks and the way it sounds. Let's do a brief overview of the machine, and then we'll run it for you. First, we'll look at the ways. And the tune that it comes with is this 12-inch 3-jaw, 15-inch 4-jaw, 18-inch faceplate, a couple steadies, follower, drill chuck, and it does come with a 4-way tool block. That's just not on the machine at the moment. Here's the inch metric feed and threading chart. We'll go, okay. Kind of tight back here, so we'll come from this side. Currently 220 volt, and you could have it at 220 or 440. There's the big spindle hole.
That's 69.
69 RPM.
Show you some feet.
I'm going to move this over just a bit.
That's it threading. Half now.
Okay, 654 RPM.
You gotta remember it ain't level.
Okay.
Just on blocks here.
Okay.
Just kind of moving around with it.
That's ripping. Okay, that was 1400 that you just saw.
Bring it back down.
This concludes our video. If you would like me to email you a copy of a picture of the threading chart or anything like that, just let us know. Phone number here, 801-531-9500. Thank you. Adios.